Hi, thanks for being in a new video. This time I'm going to tell you what I liked most and least about the Galaxy A0s in case you want to buy it. So as always, let me tell you, don't buy the Galaxy A0s without watching this video. Yo, let's consider a launch price in Mexico that has been 3,299 pesos. On the screen you see the reference price in dollars to give you an idea. Let's start with what I like the most. It has a very wide distribution. So you can not only buy it in physical stores but also in online stores or wherever you want. It has a feature called Application Sound Independently that allows you to be connected on a Bluetooth speaker and send the sound of applications to the speaker while keeping the sound of others on the cell phone. It's a feature I've only seen present on Samsung and Vivo devices. It also takes good backlit pictures considering its price. In this entry price range, usually the cameras are pretty simple and this one can really stand out. In fact, it offers us a burst feature with a good speed. And it also brings good software options like being able to use applications in a floating mode or the modes and routines where you can automate all kinds of settings on your cell phone. So, honestly, they do offer you a superior experience to what other devices in the same price range offer you. In fact, it also offers 2 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches. Something that is definitely very good because it will give you a good lifetime to your phone. Remember that with the passage of time, several applications are requesting more advanced minimum requirements. So having an updated system ensures that the device will continue to have a good life. It has good security options as it even has Samsung kits where you can configure which applications your children can use, how long they can use your cell phone while you lend it to them and other things. It also has an option to block mobile data for certain applications so that they can only access the internet via Wi-Fi. With this, you avoid bad surprises in the consumption of your mobile data. Samsung has a very extensive ecosystem, although it is true that in economic devices some things are not compatible, but in general you could connect various accessories. And if you run an application at the same time, it has good speed. For example, it exported a 1-minute video in Full HD in 36 seconds, something that for this price could make it stand out. But let me tell you now what I didn't like. The front design looks very dated because of the thick bezels. Definitely that nowadays there are much nicer devices with smaller bezels that make them look more modern. Although it integrates fingerprint reader, it only allows you to register 3, so you lose a lot of versatility. You are not going to be able to register many of your fingers or the fingers of your trusted people. No charger is included in the box. So you'll have to buy the charger separately, and this can definitely get annoying as hell. And in fact, using the original Samsung charger, it took 3 hours to charge. So charging is definitely very slow and possibly its weakest point. In addition, it has no gyroscope. If for you it was a priority, this sensor, because of some games or something very specific, yes, you should be aware of this absence. And finally, it only has 4 GB of RAM, which on Galaxy devices is insufficient. So if you like to open several applications, you will notice that this device will get very slow. It will only support 1, 2, or maximum 3 apps at the same time because otherwise the device can get very slow. And if you already bought it, let me know how much it cost you. For now, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video, you know you can tell me about it, and I'll see you next time.